All right, welcome back to my channel. Now look at this beautiful math puzzle. Okay, 99% of people where I saw this question failed this. Some people say that the answer is 12, while some say that the answer is 9. Some say that the answer is 12, and while some say that the answer is 9. Okay, but actually the answer is 6. So how did I get 6? Now, where I saw this question got over 4.9 million views. Wow, that's massive. 4.9 million views. So what do you think the answer is before we start solving? Right? Okay. Now the question is, how did these people got 12 as the answer? Look at what they did. They said 9 is equal to 72. They started subtracting 16. They started from 16, right? Now, this minus this is giving me, what do I have? 56, right? 56, which is this 56. Then remove one here. I'm going to have that 8 should be equal to what? The last one I got here, 56. Okay? Now, to get the next one, they say 56 minus, remove 2 from here, minus 14 to give me 56 minus 14 to give me 42, right? 42, okay? Now, that is 7 is equal to the 42 we got here. Now, what they did again next was remove 2 again. We're going to subtract what? 12. And if you subtract 12, you're going to have what? 30, which is the answer to the next one. So 6 should be equal to what? 30. For me to get the next one, I'm going to say what? Minus, remove 2 here, 10, which will give you what? 20, which is what? The next answer. That is 5 should be equal to what? 20. So the next thing we do is what? We subtract what? So we subtract what? What do we have? We subtract, remove 2 here, 8. And then what do you have? 12. And then I conclude that 3 is equal to what? 12. Can you figure out the mistake here? There's a little problem here. If you can figure it out, write at the comment section. Now, those that say that the answer is 9, let me show you how they got 9. Okay? They started decreasing. They said that this is 9 times 8 gave them 72. Then they now came here, 8 times 7 gave them 56. They came down here, 7 times what? 7 times 6 to give them what? 42, right? Come down, 6 times 5, you have what? 30. Come down again, 5 times 4, you have what? 20. Come down again, 3 times 3, you have what? 9. Can you figure out the mistake there? Okay. If you can figure out the mistake there, now let me quickly solve it here. Now what to do here is, in fact, the nice pattern to use is even this. But though I'm going to show you the mistake in both of them. All right. So if I cut this for me to show you my own answer. Now this is that A implies, to get your A, simply say that A times A minus 1. Okay. That is how to get the answer. Just say A times A minus 1. So which means to get 9, according to what this guy did a very nice job here. But let me show you the error he made. So to get my A, I will say that what? To get the answer for 9 is what? 9 times 9 minus 1 will give you 8. So which will give you 72. So go to the next one, 8. 8 should be what? 8 times 7, which will give you what? 56. Let's go to the next one. That is 7. 7 times 6 to give you what? 42. The next one, 6 times 5, which is what? 30. The next one, 5 times 4, which is what? 20. The next one should be 4 times 3, which is what? 4 times 3 is what? 12. Then the next one will now be what? This 3 now. 3 times 2, which is what? 6. That is the mistake they made here. All right. Then for this particular one, if you want to find out the mistake that was made here, you are going to have that you should not come, they skipped 4. So for us to do 4, we'll say 4 should be equal to what? The 12 here minus, remove 2 here, you are going to have 6. And 12 minus 6 will give you what? 6, right? 12 minus 6 will give you 6. Then if we come to 3, 3 should be what? 6 minus 4 to give you 2. Oh, that there's an error here. There's an error here. So this is not the right pattern. So this is the right pattern to use, all right? So tell me what you think about this math. We love you. Please don't forget to comment, like this video. Bye-bye.